In this video, I'll show you how to trade binary options successfully. And if you understand strategy that I'm going to show you in this video, then no one can stop you from making profitable trades again and again while trading binary options. So watch this video very carefully. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then make sure to like this video after watching this video. And the platform that I'm going to use to show you this strategy is called Pocket Option. And if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, and if you want to get huge deposit bonus, okay, whenever you are depositing for the first time, and again when you deposit inside this platform, if you want to get the bonuses, then you can use the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So this strategy is extremely simple. Okay, so firstly, you need to see the candle patterns. Okay, you always need to find out this kind of range bounding market. Okay, where market is going up, falling down in the straight line. Okay, it is going up, falling down. Okay, this kind of market you need to find out. And then let's say you are using 1 minute candle or 5-second candle, and you don't see this kind of range bound market. Then what you can do is you can go to 15-second, 1 minute candle, okay, and see whichever candle is showing you this kind of, like here you can see there is no range bounding market. Yes, it is range bounding from year to year. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and let's say in 3 minute. Okay, so I have drawn this rectangle in 3 minute, and here you can see there is a good range bounding market that you can visualize clearly. Okay, you just need to find the candle which will show you the appropriate this kind of range bounding market. And once you do this much, then make sure your trading time frame is also of that exact candle. Okay, like if you are using 3 minute candle, okay, that means all of these candles are forming in 3 minute time frame, then use this timer also, trading time frame also 3 minute. Okay, and then put here the amount that you want to invest. Once you do this much, then what you need to do is just click on here. Okay, and then click on rectangle. Okay, and you will see this kind of rectangle appearing at here. So now what you need to do is you need to find where is the top range of the market. Okay, so for example, here you can see, you can just pull it. Okay, click and pull this in this way. Okay, you can see here, and let's pull it a little bit below. Okay, and here you can see now this is the exact point. Okay, where most of the candles are touching this top, all of these tops are touching at here, and here you can see here also one top is touching. Okay, here also you can see this is the support which became resistance. Okay, after some while. Okay, so now here also it became a resistance, support became resistance at here. Okay, and it was also trying to break out from here, and it was trying to become support at here, but it couldn't go up, so it fell down. Okay, now you need to draw a rectangle at this point. Okay, where this, you can again click on here. Okay, and go to rectangle and put it. Now most of these candles should either touch this rectangle. Okay, if it is at below, then it need to touch this top of this rectangle, or it be inside this rectangle. Okay, and if this is about top, then it need to either touch at this bottom of this rectangle, or it need to be inside this rectangle. Okay, make sure to do that. Okay, now once you do that, and then here you can see market is currently at here. Okay, it is ranging at here. So now this was the support. Okay, the market came here again, went up. Okay, went up. Okay, and then here you can see now you can start to make trade from here. Okay, whenever the market is forming. Okay, or you can even make trade at any place at here. Okay, or here. I'll explain you how. So for example, whenever this candle went inside this rectangle or touched this rectangle, okay, this one candle, okay, and then one candle must come below and close outside this rectangle. Okay, and then that is the signal you need to make trade by clicking on lower at this candle. Okay, by clicking on lower at this candle. Okay, same thing. So this candle went inside. Okay, and as you can see, this red candle went inside this below rectangle, and here you can see it closed above this rectangle. Now you need to make trade by clicking on higher at this candle. Okay, by clicking higher. Now similarly it went up. Okay, it was trying to break out. Now you need to avoid this place to make trade, but whenever it start to fall down. Okay, so as you can see here, this candle closed, let me show you properly, this candle closed outside this rectangle, right? Now this is the place where you can make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, so now again it fell down, right? It fell down and this wick closed inside this rectangle. Okay, now you can also assume this as a signal. Okay, and wait for another candle to close outside this rectangle. Now this closed, now this is the place where you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, but this candle was red, I'm sorry, this candle was red, so you cannot make trade by clicking on higher at this. Okay, because it was red, it need to close on green. Okay, and if it was not green, that was my bad, if it was not green, then you need to avoid this place, sorry. Now again you can see it went up like this wick was inside this rectangle. Okay, and again it another candle closed outside. Now it was falling candle, so it is red. Okay, now this is the candle where you need to make trade by clicking on lower, and most probably your trade would go right. Okay, in 3-minute time frame it is the same thing. Okay, now again it went up, all of these candles are inside, okay, this rectangle. Now this one came out and closed at here. Now this is the candle where you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, so in this way you can keep on making trade by drawing this kind of rectangle, which is absolutely beginner friendly, and you can I hope you have understand it properly. And see, if you have any kind of problem while trading binary options, then make sure to put the comment. Okay, I'm more than happy to help you. Okay, my only focus with this YouTube channel, these videos, are to help you. So whatever problem you are facing, please do comment below and let me know. Okay, so that I can bring the solution, appropriate solution for you guys. So now as you can see, market is ranging at here in real time, right? Real time. Now it seems like this candle can go up and close. Until it haven't closed above this candle, we cannot make trade. So we need to wait for the proper signal, and if it closes above, then I could easily make trade by clicking on higher.